I'm Abby Longyear Roberts. This is my home, where I live with my husband Alton and our two sons, Horace, we call him Sonny, and our baby Johnny. A few days ago now, the most famous person in the United States came to stay with our family. Mayor Jacobs invited President William Howard Taft to visit Marquette on his campaign tour. My husband is a state senator, so about a month ago, Alton said to me, "Do you think we should invite the president to stay with us?" We did send off a cheeky little invitation. Much to my surprise, several weeks later, Alton came rushing home from the office, waving an official White House letter the president had accepted. Now I had just 2 weeks to get my household in order. Besides painting walls, cleaning the drapes, and varnishing the wood floors, we needed to convert our pink bedroom and the boys' yellow nursery into presidential suites. We even went down to the Hager furniture store and purchased a brand new big brass bed. In anticipation, we also spruced up the front lawn by planting new trees and stringing colored lights. We even hung up our large American flag above the porch. The president was due to arrive on the 9 p.m. train. My husband drove our new automobile to the Duluth South Shore and Atlantic Railway Depot downtown to retrieve our guests. About 10 p.m., I heard a commotion outside. Fireworks were going off, and all the neighbors were cheering and clapping. Our auto pulled up, and out stepped the largest man I had ever seen. After welcomes and handshakes, we proceeded into the dining room for a late supper. We all needed to retire for the night. The guests occupied the second-floor bedrooms, and Alton and I and the children climbed up to the third floor. Soon it was time for our breakfast. The president came downstairs very refreshed. I was not. We served our guests waffles with local maple syrup, fried chicken, cornmeal mush, melons, breads, coffee, and tea. After breakfast, I asked the president for a favor. Would he agree to be Kodaked with the children? "Certainly," he said. We quickly set up a chair on the front porch, and the president sat down. We placed Johnny on his lap, but Sonny, he was so curious, he tried to lift the president's gold watch and chain from his vest. Luckily, the president just chuckled over the antics of our 2-year-old. The parade and other events were soon ready to start that morning, so I bade the president farewell and told him he was welcome to visit any time. He said he was so thankful to be invited to such a beautiful city as Marquette. The parade of 80 buggies and automobiles traveled down to Presque Isle and back to Longyear Field near the lighthouse. I was so proud to see Alton leading the parade with the mayor and the president. September 20th had been declared Taft Day. More than 5,000 residents listened to Taft's speech under the big tent. You know, I would like to vote for him in the 1912 election next year, but we women do not have the right to vote. But believe you me, I am working on that.